Have you ever had that feeling that there's something strong between you and someone, but for some invisible reason, that connection just isn't moving forward? It's like standing in front of a half-open door. You sense that an entire universe is waiting on the other side, but something you can't quite name, is preventing it from fully opening. Today, the angels guided me to you to reveal exactly what's happening. There is a man, yes, the one who may have entered your life unexpectedly, or even silently. He feels something for you that goes far beyond what he would ever admit out loud. But what you don't know yet is that he's fighting an internal battle. And the reason may surprise you. Perhaps you've already noticed the signs. Messages that he starts and doesn't finish. Gazes that say more than 1,000 words, but never translate into actions. That constant presence, even when he tries to pull away. And here's the truth the angels want you to know today. This man loves you deeply, but there's something inside of him that's preventing him from fully embracing this love. It's not a lack of feeling. It's not disinterest. It's fear. Fear of surrendering. Fear of being vulnerable. Fear of reliving pain that still silently bleeds in his heart. This fear has nothing to do with you. In fact, it arose long before you showed up. But it was your arrival that awakened in him what had been buried, the real possibility of love. Of opening up. Of building something true. And this is where everything changes. Because now he's torn between two worlds. On one side, the safe world he constructed to avoid feeling pain, made up of control, silence, and emotional distance. On the other side, you. You with your light. You with your way of seeing his soul even when he tries to hide. You with your warmth that arrives uninvited and touches the places where it hurts the most, and where healing is most needed. The angels show that this man has never known anyone like you. Someone who doesn't need masks to be admirable. Someone who doesn't demand, doesn't pressure, just is. And that, for him, is disconcerting. He expected you to be like the others. But you are not. And that's why, despite all his attempts to ignore what he feels, he can't pull away. His presence may seem cold at times, but his soul is on fire. He tries to rationalize, tries to extinguish what he feels, but everything inside him screams your name. The angels show me that he thinks of you in the most unexpected moments. In the car, listening to a song you've never heard together. In the supermarket, when he sees something that reminds him of your way. In the quiet of the night, when all he wanted was to hear your voice. But this battle is not only about what he feels. It's also about what he believes he deserves. Yes, because deep down, this man doubts whether he deserves a love like yours. And maybe you, on the other side, are also wondering, why me? Why this strong connection if it never materializes? The angels have an answer, because you are the key. You are the only one able to show him that love is not a prison, it's healing. That you don't have to lose yourself to love. That he can be whole with you, with his imperfections, his fears, his scars. But that doesn't mean you have to carry his weight alone. This journey is not about saving someone. It's about illuminating the path. And trusting that when his soul is ready, he will cross the bridge that separates him from you. Today, the angels ask you for just one thing. Do not doubt your light. It is more powerful than you imagine. The love he feels for you is alive, even if he doesn't yet know how to live it. And you are already healing him, just by existing. Deep down, he knows he is facing something rare. And this awareness, even though silent, is already changing everything inside him. The battle he faces is real. But the angels assure you, it won't last forever. In the next part, you will understand how his feelings for you began. And why he feels so drawn to something he still can't comprehend. Do you remember the first time you felt there was something different between the two of you? Maybe it was a simple glance, exchange of words that seemed ordinary, yet left your heart restless for hours, maybe days. For the angels show that it was at that very instant that everything began. In that moment, his soul recognized something in you that his eyes couldn't yet translate. He felt an inexplicable familiarity. A sense of home, of peace, of comfort. But also a slight despair. As if, in the very second he met you, he knew he would fight against it with all his strength. And he fought. Since then, this man has been trying to rationalize what he feels for you. It's just attraction, he says. It's just admiration. It will pass. But the angels whisper something very different. It will grow. It will grow because what he feels for you is not a product of chance. It's not loneliness, nor projection, nor fantasy. It's destiny. You didn't appear in his life by accident. You were sent. And you were sent because he needed to be touched by something real. Something that would take him out of autopilot. Something that would confront him with everything he has spent his life trying to hide. You know that pain we bury but never resolve? That fear of opening up again after being broken? That's what he carries. And that's what you, unknowingly, started to heal, just by existing. He observes you more than you can imagine. Every detail about you stays in his memory like a movie. The way you play with your hair. Your way of listening with your heart. Your courage to be vulnerable, even when the world calls for armor. And more than that, he realizes your strength. A strength that doesn't need to be loud. A strength that reveals itself in your steady gaze, in the choices you've made in life, in the faith you carry, even after everything you've faced. And this both captivates and scares him at the same time. Because he doesn't feel worthy. Because he believes that once you see everything he carries, his fears, his traumas, his mistakes, you will want to leave. But what he doesn't yet understand is that you don't want a perfect man. You want a man who is present. A man who chooses to grow alongside you. A man who has the courage to try, even when he's afraid. And the most beautiful part is that no matter how much he tries to escape, his soul is already moving toward you. The angels show that he misses you in ways he can't even explain. In little things. In the smell of a place. In the touch of a song. In the silence of the night. It's as if the entire universe is pushing him toward you, and he still doesn't know how to respond to that call. And you know what's starting to happen? He's getting tired of running away. He still doesn't know how he's going to do it. He doesn't have the right words. He doesn't have a plan. But he feels that he needs to see you again. He needs to hear your voice. He needs to understand what's happening inside him, with your presence, not with your absence. The angels reveal that in the coming days, you might feel a change in his energy. Maybe he'll approach you in a subtle way. Maybe he'll try to strike up a conversation about something silly, as if nothing is happening. But inside him, everything will be happening. And this is where your light will be even more important. You don't need to do anything to convince him. Your authenticity is already doing that work. Keep being who you are. Keep nurturing your self-love, your faith, and your trust in divine timing. You are much closer than you think to seeing this heart open up. Not under pressure, but by choice. And his choice will be you. In the next part, the angels will reveal to you what can happen when he finally stops resisting. And why this connection has the power to transform not only his heart but your life as well. Imagine for a moment that this man finally finds the courage. That he takes a deep breath, pushes aside his fears, and takes that step he's been delaying for so long. He seeks you out. And in this reunion, something changes. Not just in him, but in you too. Because at the moment he allows himself to let his guard down, you finally see, with complete clarity, how much he has always felt for you. Even in silence. Even from afar. Even when it seemed like he was no longer there. The angels show that when this barrier falls, you will feel a kind of love that can't be explained in words. It's a love that comes with tears in your eyes. With trembling hands. With the confession of an old fear, the fear of losing something he never even had the courage to fully experience. This is the turning point. And dear soul, the angels want you to be ready for this moment. Because it won't be a perfect fairy tale. It will be human. Imperfect. Real. He might come filled with doubts. He may stumble over his words. He might even try to protect himself as he approaches. But behind every hesitant gesture, there will be something genuine, the sincere desire to try. This attempt for him is an act of courage. And for you, it is the beginning of a transformation. Because the angels say that this love didn't come just to fill you up. It came to elevate you. Yes, you are the missing piece in his awakening. But he also has something to offer you. Something you may not have even realized you needed. A love that sees you. That hears you. That chooses you. You have spent so much time being strong on the outside while feeling empty on the inside. Being the one who holds everything together. The one who understands. The one who waits. The one who nurtures. But now, something different is forming. Someone is going to take care of you too. This man, no matter how much baggage he carries, has a tenderness within him that few know. And the angels show that it is with you that he wants to reveal this side. You will be the first person to see the real him. Not the man who hides his feelings. Not the one who pretends to be tough. But the one who carries old wounds, who is tired of running away, and who wants, more than anything, to love and be loved. This love has a purpose. It's not just about romance. It's about healing. Both of you have stories that need to be redefined. And it is together that this will happen. But the angels leave an important reminder. Even when he gets close, insecurity may still come around. He might pull away again, hesitate, test the boundaries. Not because he doesn't want you, but because the old fear still lingers, deep down. That's why the angels ask for patience, not submission. Firmness with sweetness. Boundaries with love. You don't need to save anyone. This was never your mission. But your light can be the mirror that helps him see that it is possible to live something genuine. When he realizes he doesn't need to hide. That love doesn't require masks. That being with you is light, even when it's intense, he will surrender. And in that moment, you will feel that all the path leading up to this point made sense. The misalignments, the doubts, the waiting. It was all preparation for what's to come. In the next part, the angels will reveal the subtle signs confirming that this awakening has already begun. And what may happen in the coming days, including what you least expect. Now that you understand the depth of this connection, it's time to pay attention to the signs. Because yes, the angels indicate that this awakening has begun, even if he hasn't said a word yet. And perhaps you have already noticed.
Those messages that come out of nowhere. The lingering looks. The questions he asks about you, about your life, as if he is searching for a place to fit in. Sometimes, the signs are so subtle that they go unnoticed. But the angels are here to help you see what is hidden in plain sight. Sign number 1, his restlessness around you. He may seem distracted, disconnected, but in reality, he is on high alert. Watching your every move. Trying to decipher how you manage to be so light, so intense, so genuine, all at the same time. Sign number 2, he looks for reasons to be close. Even if he plays it cool. Even if he pretends it's casual. He wants to hear your voice. He wants to know if you're okay. He wants to bump into you, as if the universe is pushing the two of you together, when, in fact, he is creating the opportunities himself. Sign number 3, he starts to open up, little by little. Maybe he shares an old story. Maybe he mentions a hurt he's been holding on to. This is more than just venting. It's trust. It's him testing whether you are really the safe harbor that his soul has already recognized. And sign number 4, the most powerful of all, he starts to change. He changes the way he communicates. He changes how he looks at you. He even changes his plans, because, suddenly, he begins to consider you in them. But be careful, this transformation comes with fear. And this is where the angels ask you for something very special, be love. But also be truth. You don't have to accept crumbs of attention. You don't have to wait indefinitely for someone who doesn't know what they want. But if you feel, deep down in your soul, that this man is trying, even if clumsily, then maybe your role now is simply to believe for the both of you. To believe that this love can heal. To believe that the connection is real. To believe that, in time and the right space, he can indeed cross this bridge between fear and surrender. The angels show that in the coming days, something may happen. It could be a longer message. It could be an unexpected invitation. It might even be a lingering silence, but one full of intention. Because when he goes quiet, it's not always rejection. Sometimes it's just the time the soul needs to process what the heart has already decided. And if you find yourself asking, is it worth it to keep going? The angels say, trust the answer that comes in the silence. Not in his silence, but in yours. Close your eyes and connect with your own inner voice. She knows. She has always known. You are not here by chance. This message did not reach you for no reason. Because when the angels speak, it's to remind you of what your soul already knew: you are love. You are light. And you are the healing he desperately needs, even if he doesn't realize it. In the next and final part, the angels will show you what can happen if he finally frees himself from this inner battle. And how it can not only transform his life, but reveal the love you have deserved for a long time. Take a deep breath for a moment. Because what the angels are about to reveal to you may change the way you see not only this connection but also yourself. It's time to understand what happens when he finally breaks free from this inner struggle. Imagine him standing in front of you, defenseless. No rehearsed lines. No fear hidden behind confusing actions. Just him. Real. Present. Human. With eyes that say, I have fought against this. But now, I just want to experience this with you. The angels show that when this moment arrives, and it will arrive, it won't just be a new beginning between you. It will be a rebirth. Because the love he feels for you is not small. It has just been asleep under the weight of everything he thought he needed to be. But now, he is waking up. And upon awakening, this man will love you in a way you may have never experienced before, a love that listens. A love that cares. A love that does not hide. A love that places you at the center, without fear of losing its balance. The angels reveal that this relationship has the potential to be a turning point in your life. Not just because of the intensity of the connection, but because it will remind you of what you deserve. For a long time, you've shaped yourself. You toned it down. You waited patiently. You tried to understand the other side. And the angels honor that in you. But now it's time to receive. Receive the love that doesn't require constant effort. Receive the presence that doesn't need to be demanded. Receive the recognition that once felt too distant. This man, when he allows himself to live this feeling, will want to be close, not out of obligation, but by choice. He will make plans. He will seek to build with you. He will want to be a home for your heart, the one you've always offered, even when yours was still empty. But there's an important detail here. The angels say that this love only flourishes when you remain whole. Don't lose yourself trying to maintain this love. It's already yours, in essence. You don't need to prove anything. Not even change who you are. You just need to keep being the light. Because it was that light that started it all. And it's that light that will keep the connection alive, even in difficult phases. And yes, they will exist. Because this love is real, and everything real has layers, has challenges, has phases of silence and transformation. But you already have everything you need to get through each one of them. The angels show me that, deep down, you already sense all of this. You feel that something is changing. You feel that he is closer than ever to taking that step. So trust. Trust in the timing. Trust in the process. Trust in your light. And above all, trust in what you feel. Because your intuition is not deceiving you. This love is true. And it is about to stop being just a promise, to become presence. Before we close, the angels ask you to silently repeat with faith, I am worthy of a deep, present, and transformative love. And it is coming closer. May this message be the beginning of a new chapter. A chapter where you no longer need to wait or question. Because he will show you. With gestures. With words. With actions. And when that happens, you will remember this message. You will remember that the angels had already warned you. He loves you. But he needed you, your light, to break free. And now, he is ready to walk by your side.